Welcome to this guided meditation for empaths. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, drained, or weighed down by the emotions of others, this practice is for you. Together, we'll release any energy that doesn't belong to you and reconnect with your own inner calm and strength. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a position that feels good for you. Close your eyes and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply and exhale fully. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice where you're making contact with the surface beneath you, whether it's your feet on the floor, your back against a chair, or your body lying down. Feel the support beneath you. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine or the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. These roots are strong and steady, anchoring you to the ground. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more connected to the earth's energy. Now visualize a warm golden light at the center of your chest, your heart space. This light represents your own energy, your true essence. With each breath, feel this light growing brighter and stronger, filling your entire body with warmth and peace. As an empath, you may have picked up on energy from others that doesn't belong to you. Let's release that now. Imagine a soft, glowing cord connecting you to anyone or anything that's draining your energy. This cord might be attached to your chest, your stomach, your head. Visualize it clearly. Now take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine gently cutting this cord. You might visualize scissors cutting it, or simply see it dissolving into light. As the cord releases, feel any heaviness or tension leaving your body. Next, imagine a waterfall of pure, cleansing light above your head. This light is warm and soothing. As it flows over you, it washes away any lingering energy that isn't yours. Feel it moving through your head, your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your legs, and finally flowing out through the roots into the earth. Take a few moments to let this cleansing light do its work. Breathe deeply and feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, and more at ease. Now that you've released what doesn't belong to you, let's reconnect with your own energy. Bring your attention back to the golden light in your open heart space. Feel it glowing brighter with each breath. This light is your true essence, your compassion, your strength, and your peace. With each inhale, imagine this light expanding, filling every part of your body. With each exhale, feel it radiating outward, creating a protective bubble around you. This bubble is your personal boundary. It allows love and positivity to flow in while keeping out anything that doesn't serve you. It's strong yet flexible, and it moves with you wherever you go. Take a moment to feel safe and secure within this bubble of light. Now, we'll go through a few affirmations to reinforce your boundaries and self-care. Repeat these silently or out loud after me. I release what doesn't belong to me. I am grounded, centered, and at peace. My energy is my own, and I protect it with love. I honor my needs and set boundaries with grace. I am safe, I am whole, and I am enough. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel gratitude for yourself in this moment of self-care. Know that you can use this practice anytime you need to clear out energy that does not belong to you and to reground yourself into that which does. Whenever you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring your awareness back to your body. Allow your energy to fill the room around you. Slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed, grounded, and empowered. Give yourself a big hug and thank yourself for being here. I also thank you for joining. Now enjoy the rest of your day or your evening, knowing that you are in control of your energy and how you use it.